Hey guys, are you 12th class student? Are you commerce student? Are you accountancy student? Are you English medium student? Are you CBSE and NCERT students? Then we NVEA have launched. We have provided a new book with accountancy subject. Guys, I know that you face many problems in the accountancy subjects. So that's why today we have launched a fantastic workbook. By the help of this workbook, you can get the super marks, scoring marks in your board examinations. So guys, if you want to best practice and if you want to gain the good marks in the accounting subject, then you must try this book. Guys, right now this book is available in Hindi and English medium segments, and the book is right now uploaded at our official website, whose official URL link is www.navya.in. And guys, you can contact at our helpline number, which is 09414008310. Thank you so much guys. All the best.